For our problem number 2, the back tangent with grade of positive 3.4% and forward tangent with grade of negative 4.8% intersects at station 14 plus 750 and elevation of 76.3 meters. The two tangents are connected by a 320 meters parabolic curve. What is the elevation of the highest point? Okay. Una, meron tayong back tangent na pataas, syempre. Positive siya, 3.4%. And the forward tangent of negative 4.8%. Then, nag-intersect daw sila sa PI at station 14 plus 750 with elevation of 76.3. So this is now our curve. Okay? Our curve is 320 meters parabolic curve. Okay? What is the elevation of the highest point? So, para mas madali nyong ma-determine guys yung pag-draw later on ng ating curve, ang magiging technique natin dito to determine the location of the highest or the lowest point, always makikita nyo doon sa side wherein yung grade natin ay meron tayong milder milder slope. Ibig sabihin mas mababa yung slope doon. Hindi yung mas abrupt yung change ng or mas abrupt yung grade natin doon. So kung titingnan natin dito, comparing the grades 1 and 2 or from our grades from our back tangent and our forward tangent, asan dyan yung milder slope? Di ba itong 3.4 mas maliit or mas mababa kaysa sa 4.8? Therefore, the location of the maximum or the highest or the lowest point will be at the side of our left side, doon sa ating milder slope. Okay, so ganun yung pag-determine natin, ganun yung pag-draw natin later on. Kaya kung mapapansin niyo, yung curve natin ay mas bahagyang mas mataas dito sa left side compared dito. Okay? So we are required to determine the location of the highest point. So this is our highest point. Papangalanan na yan as our S. Okay. So for the determination of our highest point, paano na nga ba natin makukuha muna yung ating highest point? Elevation. So given yung ating elevation ng PI, okay, to determine first the elevation of our highest point, di ba makakabuo tayo ng triangle dito. Papunta dito. Makukuha natin yung height na to. Okay? And to determine that, okay, so or pwede nilang dito, tawagin natin to as Y1 or ating Y. Okay guys, so tawagin natin to as our Y. Then makakabuo tayo ng triangle dito na maliit. Dito. To determine the elevation of our highest point, di ba? Elevation of our PI minus this height minus yung Y. Okay? So para mas maintindihan natin, ito na lang gamitin natin. From HP, i-connect ko papunta dito sa back tangent. Tawagin ko to as Y. Okay? Next. Makakabuo tayo ng triangle dito. And yung height na to, tatawagin ko as H1. Okay? So to determine our elevation of HP of our highest point, that is elevation of PI minus H1 minus Y. Okay, so yun yung goal natin. So again, our solution will be elevation of our highest point, that is equivalent to elevation of our point of intersection minus h1 minus y. Okay? So this is our goal. So una, solve muna natin ang first step is to solve first yung ating difference in grade. So the difference in grade is equivalent to G1 minus G2, the absolute value. So yung G1 natin, we have 0.034 dahil 3.4% minus G2 minus negative 0.048. So our difference in grade will be 0.082. Okay? Next, i-locate muna natin yung ating highest point. Okay? So alam na natin guys, no, yung highest point, yung technique natin to determine the location, whether it is from left side or from right side. Again, kung asaan yung milder slope, nandoon yung location or nandoon sa side na yon yung location ng highest or lowest point. So therefore, S1 lang ang gamitin natin. Okay? And yung formula natin kanina for S1 to locate the highest point, so S1 is equal to, yung symmetrical pa lang tayo, G1 L over B. Kapag nasa right side naman natin siya, S2 naman to, G2 naman to. Okay, so substitute natin, G1 natin, yung grade 1 natin, we have 0.034. L, we have 320 given naman. And yung ating difference in grade, we have 0.082. Okay, so our S1 will be equivalent now to 132.6829 meters. Okay, so pwede na natin ngayong ma-solve si H1. So kung si S1, or H na lang to. Sige, H na lang. Hindi na S1. So kung si S1 ay 132.6829, ano na ngayon yung location or ano na ngayon yung distance from HP to this? So from here, sa gitna, di ba ito ay half ng 320? So half ng 320, that is 160, or our L over 2 is 160 meters. Okay? So 160 minus minus S1, so ilan na lang yung natira dito? Itong part na to. So 160 minus 132, that is equivalent to 31.3171. Okay. So again, this is L over 2 mula PI papunta dito, 160. And to determine yung base ng maliit na triangle na ito, 160 minus S1. Okay? So mag-focus tayo dito sa maliit na triangle na to. Lagay ko dito. Okay? To determine H1, or H, I should say. So solve for h. So, tingnan natin yung triangle na to. So, meron tayong base na 27.3171 meters. This is our h. This is our grade 1. Okay, to determine h, yung ating slope, intercept form. So, simply, h is equivalent to G1 multiplied by 27.3171. Okay, so substitute natin yung G1 which is 0.034. Okay, so yung H natin ngayon ay equivalent now to 0.9288 meters. Okay, meron na tayong H. Next, how can we solve the value for our Y? So for us to solve the value of our Y, gamit tayo ngayon ng ating ratio and proportion using the squared property of parabola. So if the distance from here mula dito sa gitna, that is our H, tama ba? Yan yung H natin kanina. So i-ratio natin siya ngayon dito sa Y. Yung H natin ngayon, yung horizontal distance niya ay L over 2. Then yung Y, paano naman natin masosolve yung Y, yung vertical distance dito? So yung Y, kasi part siya ng parabola, ano naman yung horizontal distance niya? S1. Okay? So to determine H muna, so H is equivalent to, ano na yung formula natin kanina for H? That is L B divided by 8. Okay? So yung L meron naman na tayo, B meron na rin tayo. So let's just substitute. So L natin, we have 320 multiplied by B, 0.082 divided by 8. Then we have H equivalent to 3.28 meters. Next, paano naman natin masosolve si Y? Ratio na natin using squared property of parabola. So yung H, ratio, yung over niya, L over 2. Ratio natin siya sa L over 2. So H, L over 2. Then equate natin siya sa maliit na parabola. Kung papansin nyo, di ba ito yung malaking parabola, guys? Which is my height na H. Ito siya. Ito yung height niya. Then nandito naman yung Y. Okay? Y over S1 squared. Okay? So to determine Y, meron na tayong H. Alam naman na rin natin yung L. Alam na rin natin yung S. So to determine Y, that is equivalent to H muna, 3.28 multiplied by S. Sorry, naka-square pala yung L over 2. So that is S1, we have 132.6829 squared over L over 2, we have 160 squared. Therefore, our Y will be equivalent now to 2.2556. Okay? So meron na tayong H, meron na tayong Y. Finally, we can now solve the location of or the elevation of our highest point. So yung elevation ng highest point natin, first elevation of PI, 76.3 minus H. Ito. Yung H natin, 0.9288. Then, minus Y. We have 2.2556. Therefore, the elevation of our highest point will now be equivalent to 73.1156 meters. And this is now our answer.